Good afternoon, friends. Today we will see a new feature in Odoo eCommerce in version 19.3, that is preferred delivery date. Now we can allow customer to select a preferred delivery date. So how this feature works? Let's see quickly. So when you are configuring your inventory and delivery methods, you can see a standard delivery which is pre-configured. In e-commerce now you can see estimated delivery. So we will keep this standard, but we will see preferred delivery. We are creating a new option, and then here I'm enabling this option. I have two website launch in the same instance, so I can select on which website it should be available, and then I can say like after how many working days this feature should allow. So I say like 0 days, but here I would like to allow selecting up to 5 working days, and then based on what feature. So based on a particular delivery dates which is now connected to the working hours. So I can say like Monday to Saturday I would like to allow between the hours, and then I can have 2 weeks calendar also, which is enabled, but I'm not enabling. I'm just saying Monday to Saturday I would like to allow this preferred delivery, and then delivery product I wanted to select, and then I say publish. So this particular preferred delivery is now enabled. And now how this feature works, let's go to our website very quickly and see our shopping product. So on my shop page, when I am picking any product over here, I do add to cart. I am going into cart, and then this free shipping is made available. Now I will say checkout. So here you can see a standard delivery doesn't have any option, but when I select preferred delivery, this particular widget will be shown, and for next 5 days you can see from today until next 5 days I can select any date, and based on my confirmation and payment, when I trigger using demo payment, the order will be booked. The order number is SO3. When I am going into backend to see my order, SO number 3, I can see the promised delivery date is May 22. So on my delivery now you can see a delivery is scheduled on May 22. So this is very fantastic feature Odoo 19.3 has added. So with any shipping partner, with any delivery method, you can combine over here in delivery method and enable this particular option and setting based on the delivery time or working hours, and then allow up to how many days people can select the preferred delivery. So thank you Odoo for introducing a great feature. If you have any query regarding your e-commerce setup, reach out to us at techvaria.com or my YouTube and LinkedIn channel. Thank you guys. Good day.